last week we did supported dead bugs. So this week we're going to do alternating unsupported or full dead bugs. You are welcome to go back to supported if you feel like this is a lot. So we're just gonna set your body up first. We're gonna come into that pelvic tilt where you're going to gently just press your back into the mat. You're gonna turn the muscles on. You're gonna pull your ribs down to your hips. If you feel ready, you're going to lift those legs up into tabletop position. Your arms are going to reach up to the ceiling, and I want you to gently slide the shoulder blades down. So again, I want you to feel that sucking down into the floor before you even move. This is work right now. When you feel ready, you're going to inhale and extend the opposite arm and leg, and then exhale, pull back to neutral, and then do it again on the other side. So a lot of people really struggle with this one because you're doing the opposite sides of the body. Your brain is having to coordinate these movements. There's a lot going on. So again, if you're feeling a little bit challenged, a little bit uncomfortable, if your back is hurting, you can go back to that supported dead bug. Every time her leg is extending out, the abdominals are engaging, but the back might also be engaging. Sometimes the abdominals are a little bit turned off, so the back does too much work. So if you're finding that that's what's happening to you, back up, right? We're trying to reprogram these muscles to work. And if the core abdominal muscles are used to being turned on and a little bit underactive, and the back's doing too much work, that's gonna kind of be counterproductive for us. Another option would also be to take that leg a little bit more up to the ceiling, and now it's a little less pressure on the back and on the core muscles. So you get to play with this however you want. Good, everybody's like, are we almost done? You guys have
forever and maybe
you guys have one more. Go ahead and relax. Once you finish, you're gonna just relax your body to happen.